hiccuping?
Yeah.
Looks like someone is missing you.
That's true, but that's only a legend. It's not actually real. Have you ever wondered how hiccups happen in real life? Well, there is a muscle underneath our chest called the diaphragm. When we inhale, then the diaphragm expands. When we exhale, then the diaphragm relaxes. Sometimes the diaphragm gets irritated. When the diaphragm gets irritated, then it inhales the air in a jerky way, which makes our voice box get hit with the air that we inhaled. Then that leaves us with hiccups. Did you notice something?
Yes, your hiccups are gone.
Yeah. Do you know why?
No.
It's because I got diverted. Distraction is also another way you can stop hiccups. If you want more science videos like this one, please follow us. Bye!
Bye!